Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BlinkDotFun token. Ticker symbol is Blink. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain. BlinkDotFun, all one word, is the name of the token. Now this is a playoff of PUMP.FUN, and this project actually has something to do with PUMP.FUN. And they just got a gigantic new central exchange listing starting today, December 13th. They got listed on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the BlinkDotFun token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token right now has 7,280 holders. Very popular project here. They have a market cap of $35.8 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $43 million, and they are up 210% in the past 24 hours. And this could be because they just got a brand new central exchange listing today, December 13th at 6:20 a.m. This token got listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Blink, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here is 6:20 a.m. has already passed, so it is available now. It says here, Blink is a meme coin. Quite a good description there. It also says BlinkDotFun is an engaging meme coin. Now that doesn't give you much information either. There is a total supply. Well, it looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary, and right now the current supply is 999,682,157.15 Blink tokens. So their Twitter, I'm going to put it up in the corner of the screen here. Their Twitter is going to have a lot of info on there because they have 952 tweets. They have a webpage link there, blnk.fun. And yeah, at BlinkDotFun on Twitter, blue verified check mark, 15,400 Twitter followers, and they joined Twitter in June 2024. It says, use Blinks to engage with users anywhere online on Solana, no code Blink creator, Blink trading platform, and more. So if you go to that web page there is a section that says how it works. Now we're going to have to open that up in a different browser, I believe here. We'll try that. But yeah, you can connect your wallet to the page. Today this token they've had 54,196 transactions. Very popular project today. For some reason, the web page and Twitter and stuff are not linked on Dext tools. But they are linked right there on the Twitter there. You can find the Twitter easily on the page. So it says how it works on here. It says BlinkDotFun turns Twitter, into a token launchpad for Solana Blinks. We prevent rugs by making sure that all SOL is forever locked in the bonding curve. Step 1, pick a token. Step 2, buy and sell a token. Step 3, share to X as a Blink. And you can click on I am ready to Blink, and let's see what happens when I put that on there. Well, nothing happened, but maybe it's because I don't have my wallet connected or Twitter connected. Now it says here, create. You can click on create, and you can either create a token, create an NFT, or create a tweet. And you can see a whole bunch of different tokens here. Like there's one called Mock Blink. I mean, there's so many of them here. Santa Trump. They have one called Socials. Some of them are inappropriate, which I'm not going to say here. Another one is called Blink Pengu, Pepe Blink, Crypto Kitty, Blink NFT. There's so many of them on here that you can check out here. And then there is a home section. And yeah, you could connect your wallet if you want to actually try to use the platform. They have $1.2 million worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM. And according to DEX Screener, 99.74% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Now they are trending number 30 right now on DEX Screener. They have the webpage linked on DEX Screener. They have a Telegram on here too as well. So their Telegram is at BlinkDotFun portal. You can check that out if you like as well. And this token pair was actually created 5 months, 17 days ago. So it was not created recently, but it is, you know, kind of still really doing well with a $42.7 million 24-hour trade volume. That is obviously doing very well here. They have 2,838 pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 18,077,800 pooled Blink tokens. Now, if you wanted to get the token off of RAYDIUM, you can get it by, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Phantom wallet, any one of those wallets would do. You would fund your wallet with a Sol. So first of all, you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. And once you funded your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then using the contract address you could find on SolScan, DEX Tools, Birdeye, DEX Screener, etc. And just make sure you have the right contract address, obviously. You would trade your Sol for the Blink token using that contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage, but you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off RAYDIUM. Or you could get the token off MEXC Global. And like I said, there is an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box, so check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.